In this video, I said SHEIN, but the app is really called SHEIN. So let's get into it. Oh, hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we are going to be looking at fidgets that I ordered off of this app called SHEIN. So let's get into it. So as I said, I'm going to be reviewing these fidgets. I know I have a lot of them, so I got it off this app called SHEIN. SHEIN, please sponsor me. This is not a sponsor video, but I do recommend buying from SHEIN because these poppets are only like $3 and they're amazing. I love them so much. So let's get right into it. And these are my favorite poppets that I ordered off of this, and I'll show you almost all of them, and there might be an episode 2 for this. So yeah, let's get right into the video. So the first poppet that I got off of SHEIN was this one right here. This is the bad side. There's a bad side and there's a good side. This is the bad side. It's very soft, by the way, to like just mention in your head, like think in your head, really soft. That's what this is. That's the bad side. This is the good side. Yeah, so that's this poppet. I give it a 10 out of 10. This is my favorite poppet right now. Oh, sorry, there's a bug, or a fly. But this is my favorite poppet right now. At the time, I have more coming in soon. Ooh. What the heck? Why is there a fly? 1 second. Not really a fly, I think. But anyways, sorry if there's like a lot of like parts in this video, but that's just because there keep on things that interrupt me. So yeah. All right. So this is a 10 out of 10. My favorite poppet so far. So let's put this one back, and here is the heart poppet. I literally love this poppet so much. You can give it to a family member if you want, or a friend that you really care about. It is literally the best poppet, or not the best, but it's in the top 10 type thing. Here, let me pop it for you. 1 second. Grab the camera. Yeah, I'm recording with my phone. I'm not sure if you can see in the mirror or not, but here we go. That was that poppet. I'm not even sure if you can see that because, of course, I was recording with my phone, so I can't really see you guys, but I hope you saw that this poppet pop. It's in my top 10 for sure. This is one of my favorite ones. I have a mom, so I give this sometimes to my mom for her to pop, and I love her a lot. So put that one in, and at the end I'll say all like the prices and stuff, because maybe you guys want some of these poppets, and I will do a link in the, or not like a link, but I'll tell you the app in the description. So yeah, and if you haven't already, leave a like, or just go and leave a like this, right? In 3, 2, 1. Did you do it? I hope you did, because it helps me a lot out. And please be sure to subscribe. You can always change your mind later. And please put that notification bell on every time, so you get notified every time I post a new video. So yeah, let's get back into the video. And as you can see, I didn't just get this poppet, but I just took it out of my basket, this poppet right here. This is the bad side right now. And I do have a TikTok of like fidgets and stuff. So yeah, there's still a fly. What the heck? But whatever. We're just gonna try to get through this video. You got this. You got this. Sorry if my phone's like going this way and not that way. But bad side. And this is the good side. Can we have a silence for this? Like, this is It speaks for itself. Tell me that's not good. Tell me. Exactly. All right, now let's go to, because I ordered a lot of Poppets off of SHEIN, and these are like the ones I ordered, and this is another one that I literally love. Bad side. Good side. Love this Poppet. It matches my nails a little bit. It is a randomized one, so you might get a different color than me, but that is okay because it's still a good Poppet and the quality is amazing, and I love these Poppets so much. So don't worry if you get a different color. They're all just so good. And moving on to the next one, I'm gonna put this one back in. A rainbow Poppet. Look at this quality. Hold up. Look at that fade. This is a very, very pretty Poppet, and this is a Poppet that I would take to hotels, to play with, to baseball games, to like a game, like either like a sports game, a vacation, just to play with. Like, this is a very good Poppet. So let's get into this Poppet. This is the bad side. You have a loud bad side too. I'm surprised. That's the bad side. This is the good side, honey boo boo. Tell me that's not satisfying. I'm listening. Exactly. So that's this rainbow Poppet. Love the quality of this and love the color. So let's get into the next Poppet that I ordered. This one's not off of SHEIN. This was in a mall that I went to. I went to a mall to get some stuff like at Claire's and stuff. I was getting these mini Neatos, which I will show in a different video. If you want to check that out, I will be posting that soon. And so this is my mall type one. It was in, like, there's this little cart that had all these Poppets and just fidgets in them. So I stopped at it and I found this one, and that will be also in another video. So 2 videos in another video. So yeah. So this Poppet was in a cart, like the cart Poppet from the mall. Bad side. It's a really loud bad side, which is really good. And this is the good side. Wow. Wow. Amazing. 10 out of 10 would recommend, for sure. And this is just a Poppet that I want to showcase right now. I got this little, like, you can put it on your thing. It was from Five Below. This thing, not this, but this. I got this from, I think it was Learning Express, has tons of these. And I got this color, so I just hook it. There's this little hole thing that you can hook up these keychains or whatever on it. Your backpack, you can do anything with these. So I got one of these, hook it up to it, so I can just go like this in the car. If anything, I can wear it, take it off, I can do whatever, pop it. This is bad side, good side. This is why I bought this one. This is why. Perfect. And then I have these 2 Poppets. We'll get into this one first. This one is off of SHEIN. So bad side. Not too bad of a bad side. Good side. This is satisfying. You know what he said again? This is satisfying. Yes, I know. You are asking, what is the point of this? It's satisfying. That's the point. It's satisfying. Why don't you get it? It is satisfying. Satisfying. And this is the other poppet or it's like a mini one. See these little holes? Those are for keychains. Like you can hook it up to your backpack, as I said, or these like little keychain things that you get from Five Below or whatever. So bad side, not too bad. Good side. My mouth drops. Like, I don't get it. These are just too satisfying. Get these. They're off of SHEIN. They're really cheap. They're like $2. $2. Ask your parents, like, can I clean the window or whatever? Clean the window. Or just clean something. And then you can get one of these. Get one. Yes. Yes. This isn't a poppet, but this is only sneak peek of these stress balls that I got, which is going to be in another video. Go check it out after this. This is a sneak peek of the video, but this is my favorite stress ball. It's a pineapple. I love it so much. Oh my gosh, I love it. Love this one. Literally, love it. Love it. I love it. Love it. But back to like the poppets area type thing. So I'm just gonna lay this one out, and this one out, and this one out, and this one out. It's only 4 poppets, okay? And then you can leave. But you have to subscribe first. You don't have to, but I would gladly appreciate if you subscribe. Okay. Dimple. And these are not all my poppets. These are just the ones that I got from SHEIN. Or SHEIN. Yeah, that's what it's called. My bad. It's SHEIN. SHEIN. In the App Store. Get it and buy these fidgets. Buy it. Also, this is not. But please sponsor me. This is not a sponsor, but please sponsor me. But this is the dimple. Sorry, you hear my dog in the background and my dad and stuff. Bad side, good side. That's the good side to that. Love it. Love it. Love it. I might have to stand up and give a round of applause. Love it. Love it. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Next one. Here, I'm going to put this one back in my basket. Should put it back in the basket. Next one is this butterfly one. Love it. Love it so much. I'm going to move these poppets. Bad side. Okay. Bad side. Okay. Trust it. This is bad side. Just give me a second to pop the bad side. Because we all know you want to hear the good side. So just stay with me. Stay. Thank you. No, you can do what your mom or dad said after this video. Or come back to it. Okay. Rainbow. I just want to pop it one second. This is the good side. That deserves a round of applause. Come on. You know you want to do it. Good job. You did a good job. Get it? And the good thing about these poppets, thank you. Anyways, these poppets is you can bend them. I know, they're not you don't break them if you bend them, but you can put them into small spots like your bag or anything, and then they just pop right back up. Then you can start popping it, do your little game with the marble, and you got it. So let's put this one back. And now we have a yellow one. I love it. I love it. I love it. Bad side. Bad side. Good side. Excuse me? Knock, knock, I want to get you. Knock, knock, I want to get you. Go get it. No. Right now. After you watch this video, at least. And if you leave a like, yes, you got it. You gotta leave a like before you go, and you gotta leave a subscribe, and turn the notification bell on every time I post a new video. You'll get verified. Yeah. Yes, we're going for 2 likes. I know it's a lot. 2 likes. We can do it. We can do it. I don't want 1 like. I want 2 likes. It's a lot, but I know. And then we'll put this poppet back. And I think, let me see. Yeah, this is the last poppet. Don't click off yet. Don't. I will find you, hunt you down, and you will watch this video. Okay, good. This is a clearish one, so you can see my finger. Yep. And bad side. Bad side. Remember, this is the bad side. This is not the good side. This is the bad side of this. That was the bad side. This is the good side. Hold the phone. This is the bad side, or good side. I need earplugs. This is so loud, which is good. Louder is the better. And I can fold it so I can put it in my bag. Don't worry, I have shorts on. Don't worry about that. YouTube, don't take this down. I do have pants on, so. That was a good poppet. Man, the last poppet coming in clutch, being good. Anyways, so that was all of the SHEIN order poppets. SHEIN. That's not all me poppets. This is all me poppets. We'll start from here. That's all me poppets. If you could see, I'm not sure. I have to look over this tape to see it. But yeah. That was a good round of pops. That was a good round. And please give me a favor, like this video, subscribe, it's free, and you can always change your mind later. It does help a lot, and just please turn that notification bell on so you'll get notice, like you'll notice that I post a new video. Do it. Here, I'll give you a second. 1 second. Wait. Okay, wait. Let me see a second. Okay, look at this, look. Ready? Click that like button in 3, 2, 1. Did you do it? If you did, thank you. You really did help me out. All right. And that will be it for this video. And like if I should do another one of these Pop It videos. And I do have more Pop Its coming that I will show you guys. So bye. Love you all. See you later. Bye.